Hello guys, my name is HJS Miranda and I am proudly BS IS38 of University of Caloocan City. And our subject is Database System Enterprise with a subject code of IS103. And ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you our beloved professor, Mr. Vicente Tabacolde. Okay, without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Hello everyone, and welcome to this interesting session, and I'll explain to you the step-by-step process to install XAMPP Server. So before we move to the installation process, let's understand what exactly the XAMPP. It is a bundle of web server application, database, and a scripting language. So XAMPP in abbreviation of where X stands for cross-platform, A stands for Apache, M stands for MariaDB, P stands for PHP, and the last P stands for Perl. So XAMPP was designed to be one of the easiest way to install and run a development server. XAMPP is the most complete package. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only. The intention of this tutorial is to teach you how to properly install the XAMPP and what are the basic queries and how it works. And in this tutorial, I will only use my voice, and don't skip the tutorial for you to able to understand the XAMPP. So guys, we are on my desktop, and what are we going to do is download the XAMPP server. So first thing to do is go to your browser. So I prefer using Microsoft Edge, and go to google.com. So since we are on Google, let's try to search it again. Okay, so all you need to do is search for install XAMPP server. Okay, so the first link that you will get is the apacheprens.org. So you need to click that first link, and you will be directed to the download page. So in this download page, you have an option to select or to download for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Since we are using Windows, I'm gonna execute this on Windows. So you will have an option here where you can download the XAMPP. So we need to choose the latest version, which is the 8.0.0. So download it. Okay. So wait for the download. Okay, show all. So since I already downloaded it, so I'm gonna pause it for you. So we are on my desktop. Again, since I'm already downloaded the file, I'll pause it and let me show you the executable file, which is here. Then just click it to install the application. Just click yes. So have you seen, I've already downloaded this file. So let me click the executable file, and the installation process takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So just wait for the pop-up message. Okay guys. Okay, bit na me. So as you can see, you will get some warnings, but don't worry about this. Just click OK. Okay, so you will see the first pop-up message, which is here, the setup XAMPP. Welcome to XAMPP setups wizard. So just click next. So this is the important page of the installation process, where because you need to select what do you want to install. So just leave it here, just check it all, just click next. Then you need to select your directory folder where you want to install this XAMPP. So I'll just leave it here, just next. No, okay, let's just select a folder. Okay, for example here, I just click next. Okay, just need to select another folders because I've already downloaded this and I've already installed this. So just to select another folder. So let's try to make another one. So okay, some okay, just select that folder, just click next, just click the language, and here we go. After clicking this next, you will be proceeding to installation process. So since I already installed it, I will cancel it. Yes, okay. So that's all for the installation process. See you on the next video. Hello guys, so we are back again to this another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to connect on MariaDB using any command line program. So first of all, you need to open your XAMPP server. Okay, XAMPP server. Then click on the XAMPP server and start the MySQL under the module. So locate the MySQL, which is here, MySQL, then just click start. After clicking the start, there will be a pop-up message that you need to click yes. After clicking yes, okay, you are now ready to go. Then click your CMD. So type CMD and right click to run it as administrator. Just click yes. Okay, we are now on CMD. On CMD, you are now on the system32 directory. So we need to change our directory by typing cd or change directory and dot. After that, you will be proceed on Windows. Then you just retype again to cd dot. Then you are on the local DC. So we need to go to the directory of the XAMPP, MySQL, and bin. So you need to type cd XAMPP. After that, you need to type cd MySQL and cd bin. So now we are on the bin. So we need to connect to the host, which is the MySQL. You need to type the MySQL u root p, which is the password, h the host, and the local host of our server, which is 127.0.0.1. After that, you need to click enter. And after you click the enter, there will be a enter password. So we don't set any password here, so we just need to click enter. And after clicking the enter, you are now on the MariaDB. After clicking the MariaDB, you need to show the databases. But how to show the databases? It's just easy to do that. Just type show databases and the semicolon. After that, you will now proceed to the databases. So as you can see, here are some databases that I've created before. Okay. So guys, I already take notes about the topics that we're going to tackle today. So the first is we need to create database. After that, we need to create table. Then after creating table, we need to insert some data. Okay, we are going to tackle about select, the order by, where, alter database, and drop database. Okay, so just follow the video. So now we are now show the databases. So we need to create database. The syntax here is just create database, then the database name. For example, I want to create a database about the student. So a specific section, for example, BSIS or BSIT 3A, for example, then semicolon. After that, you need to click enter. Now query OK, one row affected. Means that we are now created this database. To view that database, we need to show it by typing show databases. And now the BSIT is now created. Okay, so we need to get inside that database by typing use BSIT 3A and semicolon. So now we are on the BSIT 3A database. So the next step that we're going to do is by creating a table. So how to create table? Just type create table Then the table name. For example, I want to create a table name that names BSIT table, like that. Then the open and close parentheses. So when you are creating table, you need to set your unique ID. So in this scenario, I will going to use the student ID. Student ID. That is our primary key. Int, not null. It means that every time that the table is adding another new data, it will auto increment and not null. Yeah. Auto increment primary key. Then for the name, for example, name, then the data type we're going to use is barcar. We can also include that it is a character, but barcar is, for me, is a standard. Name, age, int, then the value that we need to insert that, for example, just 20. I don't think this needs a value. Okay, age, then gender. Okay, let's start. Let's change it in full screen. Gender, barcar 20. Okay, then last one, courier. This is just like example, guys. No, courier 20. So courier means what is your network. For example, you are talking text, you are smart, or you are on prepaid Wi-Fi, prepaid internet, prepaid SIM, prepaid Wi-Fi. You're on. That is all. Okay, then semicolon. So now you can now create a table. Okay, just click enter. So we have an error about this. So we don't include any data types in the courier. So that is one of the mistakes of a beginner. So yes, I am a beginner. So just type okay. Now we are now created our table. So to display that table, we need to type describe BSIT table. So now here is the table of our table. The field, student ID, name, age, gender, courier. The data types int, barcar, no. So the student ID is not null. Then this is our primary key, null, and auto increment. So the next step is we need to insert some informations about it. So in inserting, you need to type insert into the table name, which is BSIT3A. And I'm mistake. BSIT table, okay? BSIT table. Then open and close parentheses. Then you need to type the product ID, sorry. Sorry about it. The student ID that you are you type earlier, the student ID, the name, age, gender, then the courier, then the values that you want to insert. So in the student ID, we just need to insert a null, because this is not this is an auto increment and it will be given by the MariaDB. Then the name, for example, I'm going to use my name, HJ Miranda. My age is 18. Okay, my gender is male. My courier is Converge. Yeah, Converge. Reliable, so fast, Converge. Okay, so now we are now on the insert table. So after that, you need to click enter. Yes. Okay. So now we are now inserted data on the table. So how to view that? So just in order to view that, you just need to select asterisk. What it means that asterisk means wildcard, so asterisk means all. So you need to select all. Select all from BSIT table. Okay. Then semicolon. Then automatically select all the data we input in the table. So the student ID, as you can see, we don't inserted any data, any number here, so it will auto inserted here and auto increment. The default value is 1, and our name HJ Miranda, our age 18, gender male, and our career is Converge. Okay. So hello guys, so we are back on this tutorial again. So the last time that we talked about the adding a data into table, so by inserting it, so we made this table. We're in BSIT table, so there is a student ID, name, age, gender, and the career. So the data that we put it last time is our name, HJ Miranda, age 18, male, Converge. So now we just need to add some data into the table. So here, so as you can see, I already typed this insert syntax. We're in insert into table, BSIT table. Okay, the student ID, name, age, gender, and make sure that this information is correct, so you will not get an error after typing this. Then the value is null. Jeffrey Barbara, so the name we use is Jeffrey Barbara. Age, okay, gender, then the career. So let's hit enter to insert that into our table. Okay, so now career, okay, one row affected, so we just need to add some table. So we need to add another table. So the short we just need to make it shortened, so by clicking the arrow up key, then just modifying the information. So we just need to type another name, for example the name of our friend Berhel. Wow. Okay, then the age would be 21, male, and they are also Converge. So just click OK if you are done. Okay, so another one. So for example, we just need to add a Gabriel, our friend again, Takayan, and the age would be 19, male, and they are also Converge, because we love Converge. Okay, again, we just need to add some less. So example, there are two same surnames. For example, we just need to add his sister, or to add his sister. For example, the name of his sister is Angelica Kakayan. The age is 18, female. Then he hates Converge, so they're using PLDT. Okay, so now just hit enter, and that is now added to our table. So to view that table, just select asterisk. Okay, asterisk means wildcard, means all. You are selecting all the information inside the table, BSIT table, then semicolon. Just click enter, and now we have the data inside the table. Okay. So hello guys, so we are back again to this another tutorial. So the last time we inputted some data inside our table. So we added the Jeffrey Barbara, Berhel, Gabriel, and Angelica Kakayan last time. So today we are going to talk about the syntax where order by and syntax of selecting. Okay? So for example, you want to display the student ID, name, age. For example, you want to display specific fields. So you will just need to use the syntax select. So to do this, for example, you want to display the student ID, name, and age only. By typing select student ID, make sure that this is correct because it is case sensitive. Name and age from BSID table, our table name. So just click enter, and now you are displaying only the fields of student ID, name, and age. So you just want to display the gender and the career only. So just retype it again by select all from select select gender, career from BSID table. So now you are just viewing or displaying the gender and the career. So now we are now proceeding to the where to order by. So for example, you want to display it accordingly. You just want to display it alphabetical order. So in the name, you want to display the name by alphabetical order, or you just want to display it by descending order, the numbers. So here is the syntax. This is just simple. Just for example, we want to display the names by alphabetical order. So just select. If you want to select all. Okay, select all from BSID table. Order by. So the name. Okay, name. So in this syntax, we are requesting to display the name by alphabetical order. So as default, it will display as ascending order. So just click enter, and now the names are displayed by alphabetical order. And A, B, C, D, G, H, J, and V. So as you can see, it is now displayed by alphabetical order. So what if, for example, you want to display the ages from highest to lowest? So you just need to add to the order by descending. So here's the syntax. Select asterisk. Okay, sorry. From BSI table, order by age, follow up by descending syntax. So now just click enter, and now you are viewing the age from highest to lowest: 21, 20, 19, 18, and 18. So that is basically, that is basic. Now, okay, so now we are proceeding to the syntax where. So where is just simple, you are requesting to, for example, it is a logic that, for example, you are looking for the ages ranging from 18, okay. So how to do that is, for example, you are looking for the ages 18 only. So in this table, there are 18 ages. So you want to display it only these two. Just select all from BSIT table, okay, where age is equal to 18. So basically, you are requesting for displaying the ages 18 only. So just click enter, and now you are viewing the ages 18 only. Okay? Hello guys, so we are now going to talk about the alter function. Alter function basically is for modifying the table database, deleting it, or adding some stuffs about on our table. I'm going to talk about the one basic function of alter. So for example, we want to change the student ID. So we want to add underscore between the T and I. So we just want to add underscore here. So to do that, we just need to type alter table and follow up by table name, change column. Okay, change column. So we just need to type the original name of our student ID. So then the follow up change that you want. Then we just need to retype the data type of the student ID, which is int, not null, auto increment, and primary key. Auto increment, primary key. Okay. And now just click enter, and now you are able to change the field name of student ID. So just click enter, multiple primary key. Okay, so just need to delete this primary key. Okay, let's click enter, and now okay, so basically that is an error because in MariaDB they are not allowing multiple primary keys. So just need to need one primary key, which is our student ID. So let's display the table by selecting all, asterisk, or just describe the table. Describe BSIT table. Okay, no spacing. Sorry. Describe describable. What? Why describable? Describe. Okay. Describe BSIT table. Okay. Click enter, and now add as student ID, and it is still primary key auto increment. So for example, we want to view it by the table. Select asterisk from BSIT table. Click enter, and now the student ID has a underscore between the T and I. Okay, very nice, success. So the last thing that we'll talk about is the drop table or drop database. So in this tutorial, we are going to drop the whole table and database. So we're saying goodbye to our table right now. So to do this function, just need to type drop table, the table name, which is BSIT table. Okay, we're just saying goodbye to our table. Okay, click enter, and now you have no any table inside the BSIT3A database. So now we are now so now we are going to drop this also the database, which is BSIT3A. So to drop that, just click or type drop BSIT3A semicolon and just hit enter. You have an error exchange to check the manual correspondence mentioned right BSIT. Okay, so we in this error we are we forgot to type the drop database. Okay, drop database BSIT. So 3A. So now we are dropping the table. Okay, goodbye. So if you want to double check if this table is dropped, so just show databases, and BSIT3A is gone. So guys, thank you for this for staying here in our tutorial, and I hope that you learn something, even though I can't explain it all correctly. So thank you guys.